everybody? My name is Andrea. I am half of the dynamic duo. I'm so excited to... What's up? Oh my gosh, this is awful. Okay. What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. I am part of the dynamic duo, the other half. And today it's a little solo video because I had to get this room together. I'm so excited to share this with you guys because it was a nightmare in here. I finally organized most of my stuff, got rid of some stuff, cleared out this room so we can make it a beauty room because, y'all, I buy stuff, I forget I have it because I can't see it. So I wanted to fix that, save some coin, and hopefully it'll inspire y'all. Let's hop right into the video. I'm gonna show y'all how to go from this to this to this. But first, I'm gonna need y'all to hit that subscribe button. I'll give y'all a second.
Push the button. Come on. Push the button. Come on, push the button.
Yeah, come on, push the button.
Oh, no,
Push the goddamn button.
Push the goddamn button.
You heard what she said.
Oh, y'all ready now? All right, let's go. Okay, everybody. We're redecorating this whole room. Starting with getting rid of some stuff, organizing some stuff because it's really gotten out of hand. I'm one of those people who like shops and orders stuff and puts it in the room and forgets about it. But we're gonna get that all under wraps today. So let's go. So I'm gonna make it easy on myself and categorize stuff. Put face, body, hair, makeup. So 4 categories. Got my chai tea. By the way, if y'all haven't tried these, they are the truth. So good. This is all hair. This is ridiculous.
Every little step I take, this is how we do it. Every little step I make, the party's here on the west side. Every little step I take, this is how we do it. Every little step I make.
But wait, there's more. These are mostly like baby wipes and stuff though. Keep them in the back of your toilet. Wipe front to back.
Every little step I make.
So I'm thinking I'm gonna do 2 big ones for the body stuff, 2 for the face, makeup. This hair, the hair stuff is kind of small. So, let's just start. First button.
Cause if it isn't love, why do I feel this way? Why does she stay on my mind? And if it isn't love, why does it hurt so bad? Make me feel so sad inside.
I've been here all night, I've been here all day, and my heart got me walking side to side. I've been here all night, I've been here all day, and my icicle, ride the bicycle. Come true, yo, get you this type of blow. If you wanna manage, I got a tricycle. It's the new style with the fresh type of flow. With icicle, ride the bicycle. Come true, yo, get you this type of blow. If you wanna manage, I got a tricycle. These friends keep talking way too much. Say I should give you up. Can't hear them no, 'cause these friends keep talking way too much. Say I should give you up. Can't hear them no, 'cause I've been here all night. I've been here all day. And my world got me walking side to side. I've been here all night. I've been here all day. And my world got me walking side to side. Yo.
Where? In the bathroom.
Shall I proceed? I'ma throw shade if I can't get paid. Blow you up to your girl like the army grenade. You can slide on my ice like the escapade. And then you get your with the marmalade. Who me? Not you. Oh yes, who's he? I even did your man style, but I love your profile. Whisper in your ear and get you all shook up, but don't blush. Just keep this on the hush. I can love you. I can love you. A little better. I know that you wish that you could be my man. 'Cause I can love you better than she can. I can love you better than she can. I can love you. I can love you better than she.
Every little step I take,
This is how we do it.
every little step I make, the party's here on the west side. Every little step I take, this is how we do it. Every little step I make.
Okay guys, we are done. I'm so excited. I still want to tweak these shelves a little bit more, just to fill them in, but it looks good for now. So let's start with this rug. Okay, so I saved the wrapper for y'all actually. I got this rug from Ross. Focus. For $64.99. I actually saw this rug at Rooms to Go. I don't know if you can see, it has like sparkles in it. Y'all see that? It's really, really soft. It's really, really soft. I saw this at Rooms to Go like a couple years ago, and it was like literally like $400. And I was like, no. But yeah, I found this at Ross, and I was like, perfect. I actually got some curtains to match from HomeGoods. These are DKNY. They also have the little sparkles in it. So I'm going to hang these up. So I feel like it complements it really well. And these were only 50 bucks. Okay, so over here, I know you guys have seen this picture a few times in some of my Instagram pictures. I'll insert a few of them here. And I never really found like a home for it, but I feel like in here it's like perfect because my bedroom is like neutral, white, gold, gray. Living room is like navy, gray, and some silver in there. So in here I wanted some color so I can be inspired. So I just went with this. And honestly guys, shopping at HomeGoods and TJ Maxx and places like those, you're not going to find everything on the first like go round unless you just really don't really care. So some of the stuff I've had for years, for example, these pillows. Sorry y'all, I'm out of breath. I'm tired as heck. Okay, so I got these pillows all at different times. I got this first one. I feel like I got this like 3 years ago. And I knew I wanted to do something with some pink, but I never really had all the pieces. So I just wanted to do like a little ombre effect. So you have like your light blush to your mauve to your burgundy wine to your like hot pink. It's showing up kind of red on camera, but that's okay. So I felt like that was perfect with this picture to play on the colors. And then I finally, y'all, it is so hard to find a blanket this color. Like, seriously. When I saw it, I was like, I'm grabbing it because I like never see that color. So I wanted to do that. And I feel like it all just kind of ties in. I put this plant here. I got it from Target. I don't know if it's going to stay there or not. I wanted some green in here. I just feel like green, you know, green just makes the room feel alive. So if it does stay in here, I'm definitely going to change out this little pot right here. I have a few of them in the other room, but I didn't feel like getting them. So yeah, I got that from Target. So that's sitting right there. These lamps, they are from... where did I get those? I think I got those from TJ Maxx actually, like 4 years ago. And finally I have a place for them. So starting with this shelf, I got this, y'all, I printed out this picture at CVS, and it just says, be the girl who just went for it, because this is my motto. This is like all I've been doing all year. I got some sage right here that I'm about to start burning because I'm about to get into this whole meditating thing. That's why this candle was perfect. Thanks, Mom. My mom got me this candle. We got the Let's Meditate candle here. I got this rose quartz. This is actually from HomeGoods. They actually sell crystals in there. So I wanted to put it right there to attract love. And actually with these crystals, I'm not, you know, an expert on crystals. I prayed over all of them and just asked God to bring whatever good energy and everything that is of Him with them. So that's what I do with those. And they're just pretty to put up. I got me some designer books right here. We got Dior and Chanel. Some more crystals right here. I just thought these were so pretty. So shiny. Got my serums and eye creams and all that stuff in that box. This is my little music books. I got my little Prince one here. And Bruno Mars, because I just love Bruno Mars. Hence the music in this video. But I love him. I think he's such a good entertainer. And he just sings with such feeling. I just love it. I love this crystal. I actually got this like 3 years ago too, but I never had anywhere to put it. There's some more products. Let me know if you guys want to see like all the products that are in these acrylic boxes. And these candles here, y'all, these at Z Gallery were like extremely expensive. And I actually found these at HomeGoods on clearance. Shout out HomeGoods. They're not sponsoring this video, by the way. So at the top, I didn't really know what to put, so I just put a few of my purses that I have up at the top. And I'm really a purse girl, but I have a few. And I think these fit well in this container here. It like separates them. Then I got that off Amazon. My nail polishes. And I even have more than this. But this is all that would fit in these two that I can get in time for this video. I got a crystal there. She sits here. This burgundy one, I don't even know what most of these crystals are, or if they're like real crystals, but they just look pretty. I made this flower box because I was gonna order, I don't know if you guys have seen the Dose of Roses, you know, those shops or whatever, and I didn't mind the price of the flowers. I was gonna order it, but the shipping is like crazy. It's like over $100. So I was like, no, I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna make some. So I just ordered these flowers on Amazon in the black box on Amazon, and there's some foam up under it. If y'all want a tutorial on how to make that, let me know in the comments. These are some more products, some eye patches right here that I'm about to start getting into. Products, and these acrylic boxes that I put all this stuff in came from HomeGoods as well. So here are all my perfumes. Everything that makes me feel like a woman and just delicious smelling. They're all different in their own way. Actually, these two are kind of similar, but yeah. So those are those. And here I have some extra lip products that I don't use every day. Just some liquid lipsticks, some glosses, lip liners, you know, all that good stuff. So here is the giveaway info. When we hit 100 subscribers, y'all, we're going to do a giveaway. It's going to be mostly like the cosmetic type, beauty type, you know what I'm saying. I do understand that men support us too. Thank you guys so much for your support. So you can either give it to your woman, give it to your mom, sister, whatever, or we might do like a Cash App type thing to, you know, accommodate you guys. So the person will be randomly selected. It might actually be more than one person because there's a lot of stuff, and I feel like, you know, I don't want to give a whole bunch of stuff just to one person, but I can spread the love. So yeah, we'll randomly select those people and post it on our Instagram. I'll put our Instagram somewhere in the screen. It's also always down in the description box, and we'll post it on this video too when it happens. So hit that subscribe button and hopefully you win. Now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Sorry guys, my camera died. Okay, so moving right along. This is my glow drawer. These are all my highlighters, all my backups and everything. So yeah, we have a few of those. These liquid highlighters. I really love those. Even on days that I don't wear makeup, you can just put like a little bit before you put your moisturizer on, just to give you like a little bit of an illuminated glow. What's that back there? Oh, that's my favorite one. This Becca, oh no, it's not. I think my favorite one is in my bathroom. But the Becca Opal highlighter is my ultimate favorite. These are my backup eye products. Y'all, I did not realize how many freaking brow pencils I ordered. But they're all sitting in here. I have this eyeshadow palette that I've never used. It actually came free with something that I ordered. I got these Lily lashes that I'm waiting to wear for a special occasion because right now I don't feel like wearing some $30 lashes and nowhere to go. But I got those half off though. And then this is quick. That's just a junk drawer. That's just all my extra like nail polishes and all that other stuff. All the overstock stuff. Right here we got our extra makeup. This setting spray is a little tall. That's why this lid is sitting kind of weird. I got a crystal right here. This orange one, which ties into the picture. I got my Tupac book right here and my Beyonce. Y'all look at this Beyonce book. I thought it was so neat. I got it from what is this? I got it from Urban Outfitters, and it's like a cartoon type thing. There's Destiny's Child. It has like quotes and stuff in it. I haven't read it all the way through because I'm really bad about reading. I was supposed to get into it. There is something on my nail and it is really bothering me. I was supposed to get back into reading, but never really happened. But yeah, I think it's really dope, really cute. So that's that. Keep those two here. There goes some more products right there. These are all my masks. Not all of them, but most of them. Got some sheet masks in the back. Sheet masks are my favorite. And then, you know, this Hermes and YSL Yves Saint Laurent book down here with the, I think it's called Fool's Gold or Pyrite or whatever crystal that is. So yeah. Oh yeah, and up here with this perfume little system thingy, I found this at Homegoods. I was actually gonna return it, but I forgot, and then I found it when I was unpacking stuff, and it's just like it's a perfume bottle, so you can like twist this off. I'm not gonna do that, but you can like twist it off, and like I guess you put whatever your perfume is down here, and you can like dab. You know, in the old days you like dab it on there. So I thought that was cute. It'll be cute right there. So yeah, that's that. I think it came along nicely. Still have some more stuff I want to do, but for now I think I did a pretty good job. So thanks so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video or what else you guys want to see. There'll be plenty more videos like this because this is just the beginning. I buy stuff all the time and just store it places. Until next time, see you later. Peace out.